So I'm in the Ulta parking lot and I have to open up these mini brands right now. I need to see what's going on. I also got some other things that I probably didn't need. So I've never opened one of these, and from what I'm telling already, it seems a little challenging. How they expect a kid to open this, I don't even know. All right, so let's see what we got. Oh, cute. Comes with a bunch of little bags. All right, so let's open up the first one. So we got a little Shea Moisture thing, super cute. Let's see the next one. Redken. I don't really use this. I've heard of this though. These are cute. They don't work, right? Like they're not actual things.
No.
Oh, we love it. Monday. Oh my god, it comes with a lot. It was, what was it, $10?
$10 per ball.
Are you sure?
You bought 2 of them.
Oh, this is cute. I got 2 of them. Okay, because I have no self-control. Oh my god, the lid comes off this one.
Yeah, they were $9.99.
$9.99, okay?
That is cute.
All-nighter Urban Decay. Okay, so let's open up the second one. I feel like everyone's looking at us like we're crazy people. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I love how it comes with so many. They're not really cheap with it, huh? I like that. Okay, let's see. Another Redken blowout.
Maybe background.
This is a NYX brow glue. That is so cute. I can't. My nieces are going to try to steal these from me. I can already sense it. Oh, a Tarte Shape Tape. What's this? Oh my gosh, look. It's an Urban Decay. I think it's an eyeshadow. And it opens. Comes with a little guide too that tells you like all the stuff you can get. Little thing of leave-in conditioner. Look at that. So cute. You guys want to see what else I got? So I also went back to using Studio Fix fluid because I just feel like the Lancome foundation being like $80 is a lot for me right now. And this is really not that much cheaper, but I just want to give this one a try because it was a little less. Also got a free little gift. Okay, some Tarte Shape Tape because I'm sorry, it's just the best. If my face looks super crazy and unmatched, it's because I was swatching all kinds of stuff. And then of course the tried and true Fix Plus, because this with the Hydro Grip, it's like my holy grail. I need these things.